So some of you have asked me how Stumpy, or Hopalong's, getting around. There she is. What's she gonna do here? Well, there she goes. That's little Stumpy, little Hopalong. She gets around pretty good. Right now she's having her outside time. Yeah, that's the little baby that somebody told me I should put down. And I don't know about you, but I think she's doing okay. She's living out here with the ground dwellers. My silky birds are ground dwellers. They don't fly much. They live pretty much on the ground. But that would be Stumpy. And she gets around pretty darn quick. Now that's your little Stumpy. That is your one-legged guinea that someone suggested I put down because she could never live a normal life. And if you take a look at it, she's having a pretty good interaction with a bully on the outside of the pen. All these guys are waiting to come in because Stumpy lives in a protected zone that they claim at night and Stumpy claims during the day. But I think Stumpy's holding her own pretty good. I'm going to see if I can move her into the house now so I can let these other guys in. Hey Stumpy. Hey Stumpy. Stumpy, why don't you go in the house? Go in the house. Go on. I know you'd like to fight with that bully, but why don't you just go in the house? Go on in the house now. Go on. I've sent the bully away. Go on. Can you make it into the house, you poor little pitiful handicapped bird? Can you make it in? Ah, there you go. That's the wrong way. I don't want you going behind the box. I'd like for you to turn around and go inside the door. There you go. That would be Stumpy, the one-legged guinea that I was told to put down because she would never have a good life. And I don't know about you, but I think Stumpy's doing okay. Nice little dust bath she's about to have in there. Yeah, I think Stumpy's going to be alright. There's Stumpy. You know, the one-legged guinea that should never live a normal life. Should be put down. She lives in a house with what we call ground dwellers. These are silkies. It's a little gray silky right there. Then there's Stumpy. What are you doing, Stumpy? Why don't you get out in the middle of the pen? My goodness, are you having a hard time getting around? Huh? I think you're doing pretty good. These two girls are a little upset because I gave their nesting box pen to the babies. And there's Stumpy. Doing pretty good. Can you let me by, Stumpy? Huh? There you go, baby.